In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Zoho Books, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Changing the language in your Zoho Books account can be a useful way to tailor the software to your preferences, especially if you or your team are more comfortable using a different language. Let's walk through the steps to make this change seamlessly. To begin, you'll need to access your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your starting point for managing all your financial operations efficiently. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the settings icon. It typically appears as a gear symbol, often located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open a new set of options. Next, you'll be presented with several categories under the settings menu. You'll want to locate and select the organization section. Within that, you'll find an option labeled Profile. Clicking this link will take you to a page where you can adjust various settings related to your organization's account. As you navigate to the profile page, look for the section where you can make changes to the language. This section is usually clearly marked, making it easy to identify. Here you'll see a drop-down menu or a list of languages that Zoho Books supports. Take a moment to find the language you wish to switch to. The list should offer a range of options, allowing you to select the one that best fits your needs. Once you've identified your desired language, simply select it from the list. Switching languages can be an effective way to enhance user experience, especially for team members who might be more productive working in their native language. After making your selection, you need to ensure that your choice is saved. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom of the page or in an obvious spot for easy access. Clicking Save will apply your language choice to the account, and with that, you've successfully changed the language in Zoho Books. This adjustment can make a big difference in how you interact with the platform, making it more intuitive and user-friendly for everyone involved. Remember that if you ever need to switch back to a different language, you can follow these steps again at any time. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you today. Whether you're customizing Zoho Books for personal use or optimizing it for your team's diverse needs, adjusting the language is a straightforward way to improve functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out my other guides for more tips and tricks on using Zoho Books effectively.